Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize order payment receipts in Shopify. Whether you're running a small online store or managing a larger e-commerce site, having a personalized payment receipt can add a professional touch and enhance the customer experience. It's one of those small details that can make your brand feel more trustworthy and established. So let's dive into the process of customizing these receipts step by step. First, let's navigate to the settings section in your Shopify admin panel. If you're not familiar with where to find it, simply look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. It's a small gear icon and access the hub for your store's preferences and settings, where you control things like payments, checkout, and notifications. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see a range of options available. But for our purpose, we need to focus on the notification section. Selecting notifications will take you to a page where Shopify manages all the automated messages your store sends to customers, such as order confirmations, payment receipts, shipping updates, and delivery notifications. These communications are vital for keeping your customers in the loop and ensuring transparency, and they also present a great opportunity to reinforce your branding and customer relationship. Next, find and click on Customer Notifications. This is where you'll find a list of templates for the various messages you can send, all organized by type. Scroll through this list to locate the Order Payment Receipt template, which is sent after a customer successfully completes a payment. Once you found it, go ahead and click on it. Here, you're presented with a preview of what the current order payment receipt looks like. This preview gives you an idea of the default appearance and content included in the receipt, such as order details, pricing, and customer information. To make any changes, you'll need to move over to the top right of your screen, where you'll find the Edit Code button. Click on that, and you'll enter a space where the magic happens and customization really begins. Now, this area is designed for those who are comfortable with coding, as it allows you to customize the look and feel of your payment receipts using HTML and Liquid, which is Shopify's templating language. Liquid lets you pull in dynamic data like customer names, order numbers, and totals automatically. If you're not familiar with coding, consider consulting a developer or spending a bit of time getting comfortable with the basics, as even small edits can make a noticeable difference. Customization can range from simple text changes to more complex adjustments, like altering layout styles or even dynamic content updates based on order details. Remember, tailor this experience to reflect your brand's identity. Maybe you want to add a personalized thank you message, include your store's logo at the top, link to your support page, or apply your brand colors for a more cohesive look. All of these can make your communication feel more polished and unique, while reassuring customers that they've purchased from a professional store. That's all there is to it. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save them so your updates go live. Refresh your preview to ensure everything looks just right on both desktop and mobile. Tailoring your order payment receipts is a wonderful way to enhance your brand image and provide a consistent customer experience from checkout to delivery. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this step-by-step guide empowers you to take your Shopify store to the next level. Until next time, happy customizing.